In today's series, we are diving into the vibrant street food scene of Bengal to explore one of its most iconic dishes called the Mughlai Paratha. But what exactly is Mughlai Paratha? Well, let me break it down for you. It is kind of a stuffed paratha that's typically filled in a mixture of minced meat, eggs, onions, and lots of flavorful spices. The dough is rolled into a thin circle. The filling is placed in the center. Mughlai Paratha is a beloved street food delicacy that traces its roots back to the Mughal Empire, which had profound influence on the culinary landscape of Bengal. Legend has it that Mughlai Paratha was originally created in the kitchens of the Mughal emperors. It's folded and sealed into a square shape before being fried until golden and crispy. It is absolutely delicious. The flavors of the spices, the richness of the eggs, and the savory goodness of the minced meat all come together to create a truly mouth-watering experience. If you ever find yourself in Bengal, be sure to try Mughlai Paratha for yourself. Trust me, it's a culinary adventure you won't soon forget. Until next time, happy eating.